Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find MLS sold properties on Propwire. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and do comparables as far as properties around their areas go. How do you actually go ahead and find MLS sold properties? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that if we enter a zip code here, so we're just going to choose one from Oregon. The next thing that you need to do is that after you get these search results, you want to select lead types, and then you want to scroll down to where it says MLS sold. So notice how there's a tooltip here that this means that these are the properties that were listed on the MLS and sold in the last 12 months. So we have a list of 403 search results with MLS sold. Now, in order to filter this out even more, you could actually click on this more option and you can filter it by property or owner or financial filters. So if you click on property filters, you can select a single family home, a condo, multifamily, or even land. And you can also filter it by number of bedrooms and number of bathrooms, just like that. So here you have it. You can also filter it by square footage, lot size, and the year built, and then click on save and close. So you can see that based on the number of bedrooms and number of bathrooms, we've now narrowed it down to 105 search results as MLS sold. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find MLS sold properties on Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.